Cloud Explorer. Annotation tools. In addition to the annotations that appear when we use measurement tools, Cloud Explorer provides tools for annotating images and maps. When you create an annotation, its graphic representation is displayed on the image. Annotation tools have properties such as line width, line color, and fill color. We can change an annotation's properties either before or after creating an annotation. We can change a tool's default properties in the Annotate Tools pop-up at any time. Changes we make become the properties for annotation during this session, but refreshing the browser will reset the properties back to their defaults. The Draw a Shape tool allows us to annotate an image or map with a polygon. To draw a shape annotation, click Annotate Tools to display the popover window. From there, click the Draw a Shape tool. The tool's default properties appear at the bottom of the popover. You can change those properties as desired. Click a location to start drawing your shape. Define the outline of the shape by moving the mouse to the next adjacent point on the outside of the polygon. A filled-in polygon appears. Its shape changes as we move the mouse. Click the next point on the perimeter of the shape. Continue clicking points on the perimeter of the shape until its outline is completely drawn. To end the shape and enter Edit mode, you can double-click to place a final node, click the first node placed to end the shape. To finish editing, double-click again or select another tool. The Draw a Circle tool allows you to annotate an image or map with a circle at the location you click. To draw a circle annotation, click Annotate Tools. Click Draw a Circle on the popover. The tool's default properties appear at the bottom of the window. You can change these properties as desired. Click and drag the mouse at the location at which to place the center of the circle. As you drag, it will expand and contract the radius of the circle. The Draw a Line tool allows us to annotate an image or map with lines. We can add straight lines or lines with corners and multiple segments. To draw a line annotation, click Annotate Tools. Click Draw a Line on the popover. The tool's default properties appear at the bottom of the window. You can change these properties as desired. Click where you want the line to start. Continue to click additional points if you want a line with multiple segments. Double-click where you want the line to end, and to switch the line into editing mode. To complete a line after editing, double-click again, or select another tool. The Add Text tool allows us to enter text on an image or map at the location we click. Click the Annotate Tools button. Click Add Text on the popover. The tool's default properties appear at the bottom of the window. You can change these properties as desired. Click the location in the image at which to place the text. Type the text directly onto the image. To enter multiple lines of text, press Enter at the end of each line. When you're done entering text, click another tool, or the text tool again to complete the action. The Add Marker icon allows us to annotate an image or map with a marker icon at the location we click. Click Annotate Tools. Click Add Marker Icons on the popover. If you don't want to use the current marker, You have a couple of options. Search for a new icon by entering search keywords into the text field. Browse all available icons by dragging the scroll bar. In the image pane, click the location at which to place the marker. To change an annotation, we'll first need to select it in the image pane. Move your mouse over the annotation until the cursor becomes a pointing hand and click. The annotation will be highlighted with editing marks, small circular icons. To delete a single annotation, select it and click Delete from any annotation tool. Once deleted, it is not possible to recover those annotations. Select Delete All from a tool to remove all annotations. This will also delete any measurements. For more information about how to use EagleView's Cloud Explorer, please view our other training videos.